Welcome back to Zero Spread channel. Short video about how to trade with news. One of most frequent questions that we are getting. How to use the trade, how to use the news in trading. Especially when we have very important news. First of all, you need to find out if you want to trade with the news, which is fine, which is really, if you learn how to use the news, you can get most of opportunities in the market and use them. Use them very in short terms. Actually, news you can use the news trading with the news with very short terms, like for 1, 2, 3 days, or mostly in 1 day or even few minutes. How you can use it? First of all, make sure that you are checking the news times, the time of the news in your local time where you are trading, and have a chart for that. Find out the most important news for you based on the symbols that you are trading. For example, if you are trading the oil, what news is important for you? If you are trading, for example, Euro USD, which news are important for you? If you are trading gold or whatever, right? So first you need to find out the news which are effective in your symbol that you're trading, and the time, what time exactly. So there is two ways. After to find out them, there's two ways to trade with the news. First way is the way that can give you the more profits, but with the more risk. Second way, less risk, less profit, more guarantee. The first way is number one. The first one is if you check the news and you are waiting, for example, for NFP, right? Let's just say NFP. And so this is one example. This as an example, and you can use the same example in all the important news. This number 1 and this number 2. Let's say we are waiting for NFP, right? And now it's the chart of Euro USD, which, as you know, NFP effect on the Euro USD is so crazy, right? The movement can be 50, 100, 200 pips sometimes in few minutes. So first way is that, for example, you are thinking you can produce that you can you search so much, you're 100% sure that NFP gonna be positive. So it means that your prediction is that, your forecast is that, you think that it's gonna be positive, and then make sure that nobody cannot say 100%. At least you're sure more than 80-90%, right? So first one is to open a position before NFP. So NFP gonna be positive, which it means that Euro USD will be fall down, right? It means that USD up and Euro down. So Euro USD movement can, if it is like this, can go down. So find the right, few minutes before NFP, the movement gonna be crazy. Find the best place and sell. Sell Euro. It means that buy USD, right? So when you are selling the Euro, it's a Euro USD. So you are thinking that it's gonna be positive. Sell it. But don't forget about the stop loss. This is the first way. So this is the first option to use if your prediction, you believe in your prediction. If you believe that what you analyze is gonna be, for example, positive, and you are almost sure about that. So this is the first. But the second one is second way is to wait for the news and then start trading. So this is the movement, right? Before news, like to say smaller, we can take that to get more space. This is the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so this is the movement before NFP, right? Up and down, up and down. I mean, nobody knows, just is still waiting for the news. Right after news, for example, the NFP, we have positive NFP. So the movement suddenly will be down. Right here. You are doing nothing. You are doing nothing. Technical analysis says that usually it's more than 80%, not 100%, more than 80%. When it's falling down, for example, from this point, suddenly, after a few minutes or few hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour, something like that, it's going down, then slowly, coming up here or somewhere close, somewhere between, and then again will start falling down. So if you are almost, so what you can do, you can wait for the lowest point in the first wave, buy here, close it somewhere here, and then sell again here and close here. This is how you can use the from news. I mean, how you can trade with the news. So we have two ways for trading. The first one, if you can analyze the news, if you can analyze the situation and find out which one is better before, I mean, it's going to be positive or negative, your news based on the, I mean, in your symbol, and find out the effects in the trade, in the symbol that you are trading, and then open a position before announcements of the news. The second one, which I prefer this, I mean, especially for the beginners, for the even if you are professional, I prefer this. I prefer to say that, okay, wait for the news. When the news comes up and you know the result already, you know what's going on in the market, then you can open a position in smallest, I mean, find out the waves, the lowest point, buy when it comes up close, and again sell when it goes down close. So this is very simple way to how to use the news for your trading. If you have any other question, please check out with our Facebook page or YouTube channel, or go to our website www.zerospread.info. We have online chat and email that you can get support 24/7 anytime, and we'll be more than glad to help you for better to grow up the quality of your trade. Thank you so much for watching this video, and all the best. Bye.